Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Danica Kosy. In today's video, we are going to spend the day with Madam Kenny for real and her girls, making and selling some of the popular Nigerian street foods like egg roll, fish pie, pepper pie, and so on. We are going to be having a chat with her, and she's going to be telling us what it is like running a full-time business as a wife and a mom in Nigeria without any help, what her income is like, and a lot of other things. Please subscribe to my channel and become a part of this wonderful growing family. It's past 7 a.m. and your girl is on her way to Madam Kenny's shop. She opens her shop around 8 a.m. so I am trying to beat the time.
We are finally here and we're about to start the whole mixing process. Okay, the madam just arrived, and the apprentice and all that, all the people working for her. I think what they basically do is the people working for her, they are the ones in charge of the whole mixing, or the kind of mix, and why she supervises them, and afterwards they go on and fry. I think basically they make donuts, egg roll, fish roll, what again, pepper roll and pepper pie or something like that. So after everything, they go ahead to do the frying and every other thing. So yeah, your girl is basically going to watch the whole process. See you guys, I'm just so sorry, just one person filming, and the whole thing is being mixed at a time, just in case you don't get the whole glimpse of everything. So have you added anything to it? Yes. Okay, what did you add?
Butter.
Okay, just
Sugar. Baking powder.
Oh,
This is egg.
okay, for egg roll,
Yes.
butter, sugar, and baking powder. Okay.
This is granite oil.
Okay. You said this is granite oil.
Yes.
Are you going to add granite oil to it as well? What's this one?
This is puff puff.
Okay, you're adding water to it.
Yes.
This is just a small business and they are currently running it with the little they have. We are trying to encourage people out there to start with whatever they have, no matter how little. I am saying this because I know in some of my previous videos, some viewers usually complain about poor hygiene. I perfectly understand the angle you are coming from, but please let's not forget that this is just a small business that is trying to gain its foot.
I'm still going to add water to this one. Oh. Is there a measurement for the sugar and every other thing you added? What do you say? Like, do you have a measurement? Like,
Maybe for 1 rubber of flour, no, you can add maybe like three spoon of baking powder.
okay, 3 spoons of baking powder.
Yes. And for sugar, you can add one cup of sugar for it.
Okay.
But if you like sugar, you can put more.
All right. Okay.
And for butter, we just add little butter with.
Okay. So you mix it little by little. Add water little by little till you mix everything. So is there another thing you've added to the puff?
Yeah,
Like
you
what?
add yeast. Depends on how you want it to feel. So you add yeast, 2 spoons. Then you add a little bit of sugar too. Then you add salt. This one doesn't need baking powder. A little salt.
All right. Can you also add salt to this one? Okay.
Now they are done mixing the whole dough for the making of the egg roll, puff puff, buns, donuts, and so on. It is now time to get ready the eggs that will be used in the making of the egg roll. And since I was not doing anything, I decided to help them out. This is me washing my hands in order to help them unshell the eggs for the egg roll. I was kind of bored, from watching the whole process, so I decided to keep myself busy with this.
My name is Mrs. Soyelere Kehinde Esther. aka Kenny for it.
We are making egg roll and the buns, meat. No. There's no meat pie.
Fish roll,
pie.
fish
Okay,
pie.
Fish roll.
Fish pie.
Pepper roll.
Yes.
And
Pop
everything.
off. Buns.
All these people have been telling me to watch my weight. There's no weight loss today. We are going to eat a lot of egg roll and puff today. Yes, because the thing don't enter my nose already. We never even start. So, when did you start this business?
To the glory of God, I can count 10 years now.
10 years?
Yes.
Did you start like this big with all these beautiful girls working for you, with all these things that you're using now? Did you start, or when you started it was small?
No, yes, it was small.
Okay.
Yes, it was small. But gradually, everything is coming up by the special grace of God.
Were you using gas when you started?
No, I'm using firewood and charcoal
Okay.
before. Yes.
All right. Did you have a shop like this? I know we are not yet at the permanent site. I know we are still going to grow more than this. But
yes.
did you have a shop when you started this business?
Yes, I started this business in one shop before I now relocated to this place again. But it's not big like this.
Okay.
Yes.
So apart from these things that you're doing here, because I'm just seeing a lot of things. It's like you cook for party or something like that.
Yes.
So can you just tell us what do you do apart from this business that you're doing now?
Yes. I'm doing cake, caterer, and decoration. Okay. I'm into a bake, catering work, indoor and outdoor service, and decoration.
Okay.
Yes.
So if anybody is doing wedding now, you can just go there.
Yes, I can go there and cook for them, bake for them for their wedding cake.
These people here, the beautiful girls I'm seeing around, you guys need to see what I am seeing here. Like, she has a lot of people working for her. I don't know, are they working for you or they are here to learn?
They are here to learn.
Okay.
Yes, they are here to learn.
Are they still learning or have they learned it? Because when I came here, I saw them mixing.
It's what I've taught them.
Okay.
What they have known. It's when they came here that they learn all these things. That's why they can mix for me.
Okay.
Yes.
And it still comes out very well.
Yes.
You allow them to do the mixing then while you supervise them.
Yes.
Okay. So if they want to reach you now, how are they going to contact you?
My phone number is 070 31 98 9437. And I'm located at Oyarublem Junction, along Danjuma Road, Isikon, Akure, Ondo State, Nigeria.
All right. So by what time do you start your business, like the whole frying and the mixing and everything? You usually start every day. I know the time I came here around 8 a.m.
Yes.
Do you usually start every day by 8 a.m. or it's just maybe like some days?
No, that's the normal time that I used to open here, 8 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And you work every day?
Yes.
Monday to Sunday to...
No, Monday to Saturday.
Okay, Monday you don't work on Sundays.
Yes.
All right. Because I know some of them actually work on Sundays.
No.
All right. The business, is it lucrative? Like, is it something that you advise other young women out there to go into?
Yes. It's a good business for a woman like me or my friends at home. When you started, you know that the work is very, very good and you cannot regret.
And when you started, how was the profit? How was it?
And I bless God because when I started, it's not like this. Yes, because everything in Nigeria now, everything have changed. Yes. Even what we are buying, they have put price, and it's the same scale, the same measurement, but they have put price now. Unlike before now, when you buy one bag of flour, you will know the profit that you will see there, the kind of gain that is there, but you cannot compare it with what is happening now. But we still thank God. Yes, it things are expensive, but we still thank God with what we have seen on it. Yes.
Okay. Tell us your vision. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? What do you want this place to look like in the next 5 years?
Yes. In the next 5 years,
Yeah.
I want this place to look like a complex, a mansion to me. But it's not by my power. I know it's God that can do everything. I want God to promote me, to promote my work, more than my expectation.
How were you able to save up first, in the first place, to even start this kind of business?
To save up, abi?
Yes, to save money.
Money. I make some contribution after selling, unlike today now. After selling the old things, I make some little contribution so that at the end of the month, anything that I see there, that yes, I will know what to use it for, what I'm going to use it for, what to do with the money that I've saved.
Then from there you add it back to your business.
Yes.
I can see you are married.
Yes.
From the ring on your finger.
Yes.
You
yes.
have kids.
Yes.
How do you manage, like, with both your kids? You know, how do you juggle everything together? Your kids, your business, your family, cooking. You know, wifely duties. You know, here in Africa, they want to kill us. They want to kill women. They want a hair. They will tell you, you wake up in the morning, you will sweep, you will cook, you will do this one, you do the other one. Do you have a house help?
Yes.
How do you juggle everything? Do you have a house help?
No, don't have house help.
Everything.
I do everything, and my husband is in support with me too.
Okay.
Yes.
He helps out.
Yes,
as well.
he helps me out.
I like men like that.
Yes.
I like men like that because, so you see some men, some of these men, some of you people that are watching me now, sometimes you people want to kill us because we are women. You want to kill us with house chores. We will work, we will cook, and you still tell us that we are not bringing money home. Is it good like that? I'll leave the question for you people to answer. Answer it. Go down to the comment section and tell us if it is good or not. Judge yourself. Judge yourself. I will not judge you. So, how do you do? Like, you wake up in the morning, you cook,
Yes.
and do everything, then you come.
Yeah,
By what time
yes.
do you wake up?
I wake up around 4:30 in the morning.
Huh?
Because my children, I will prepare them to go to school. I will cook for my husband, and I will left home very early in the morning because of what I will do here. Yes, yes.
My husband is also supporting.
Yes, my
God
husband is also supporting me.
That's very good.
Yeah.
By what time do you close?
Sometimes we close by 6 o'clock. Maybe our work is delayed. We can close by 7, latest 7. Yes.
Someone was telling me that after making the egg roll, the buns, and every other thing, you still make out time to go hawk it.
Yes.
Why do you do that?
It's what Nigeria is pushing everything. I need to sell everything that I made for the day, because in the next morning, even you yourself, you will not like it. Both the taste and the way it will be looking. That's why after frying, I will look at everything, look at my time. I will now put it and walk around.
Okay, like if customers are not coming here to buy
yes,
as you expected them to do, then
yes,
you kind of hawk it to
yes,
sell.
yes, to go and sell.
Okay. So like today now, are you going to do that?
I pray that God should sell everything for me.
For you?
Yes.
So you will not have to go
so that I will not have to go and hawk. But if God do it another way, I will go out and hawk. Yes.
You're really a hard-working woman. When we see people working hard, to earn a living, to survive, to support their husband, because I believe you're doing this to support your husband.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and also to have your own money.
Yes.
So when I see women doing this, I kind of try to support them in whichever way I can. So this one now is for what?
Pepper pie.
Pepper pie.
Yes.
So they added only pepper inside.
Pepper and fish with onions.
Okay, pepper with smoked
fish and onions.
So which of all these things, which one sells us faster?
I can say it's the fish roll.
Fish roll.
And I'm about to do it now.
And what? Okay, you're not okay,
about to fry. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
People enjoy buying that one.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, like, between how much and how much do you make as a profit? Just not like you're going to tell us the exact amount. You can say between this and this.
Well, I can say between 7,000 and 8,000 naira.
All right.
Yes.
Everything, all the profit, including the profit.
Yes. No, the profit.
The profit.
Yes.
Okay.
good.
Even before we were done frying, a lot of people started coming to buy. As a matter of fact, she made a lot of sales, a lot of customers, even some of the bike riders, passing by. Some of them would, actually stop with their passengers, to buy some egg roll, fish pie, or whatever it is that they want to buy from her. Actually, I did not stay for her to finish selling for the day because I wanted to go to the market on that particular day to buy some lemon. So what I did was buy some egg roll from her that I took home on that day.
Okay, thank you. So you guys, we are back home and we are about to do the testing of the buns. This is the person behind the camera today. She helped me film today. This one. She was just busy filming. You see the way the camera was going. Sometimes she will film my leg. She will not film my head. She will film my head. She will not film my leg. We bought egg roll. We did not buy everything. So this is the egg roll. I just want to do the testing and see what it tastes like, if it is worth it. Test now. They tried. To me, it's good. Why is it that they tried? Like, to me, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give them 8 because I don't want to lie. Yeah, I don't want to lie. I'm not really an egg roll person. Like, I don't usually buy a lot of snacks whenever I'm out there. So that is why I might not know the real taste, but I know it tastes good. Like, it is something that it is worth it. Worth your money. So we bought this one. Sorry, I started using it already. We bought this one 200 naira. So the two of them like this is 400 naira. Things are just expensive. This thing they used to sell is 50 naira. I mean what? Yeah, there was a time they sold this, 150. By this time last year they were selling this 150. Now it is 200 naira. Before last year it was around 100 naira. There was even a time they were selling this. Yeah. Anyway, let me not even start talking about my country because we are all tired together. So yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share this video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to our channel so that this channel will grow. Because help your girl, help your girl. See the way I'm sitting under the sun. Sun just dey mama me anyhow because I want to test food for you people. So just subscribe to our channel, yeah, so that we'll be growing. So I'll see you all in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. Share it to your village people. Share it to everybody so that everybody will watch this video and subscribe to our channel so that we'll be growing anyhow. Thank you very much, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Bye.